Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, nasta'inu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarika lahu wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu la nabiyya rasulah ba'da amma ba'du. So, first of all, let's pray and thanks to Allah who has given us the uncountable mercies and blessings so we can gather in, so I can make these ITV tutorials. And secondly, forget let's give peace and salutation to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So here I will continue the IT tutorial videos. So, because before we already I already explained this about EIGRP details, and then about the advantage or about the disadvantage, and I was explained this EIGRP package before, if the packet success or if the packet fail, and if it change lane. So for the first here, there is lab 1 EIGRP standard config. So in this lab we will config the router 1, 2 and 3 with the EIGRP routing protocol. So how to configuration of that? First we have to open the VMware like I was explained before about how to use, how to download and how to play this virtual machine. For the first we have to turn on the virtual box and then wait. So here while waiting I will explain this a little bit. So in this lab we make the EIGRP routing protocol in their router with this command. Yes, if you know, it's the normal EIGRP without anything, and then this configuration just only for make standard EIGRP. I think we don't need to I will explain this. So here we already get the IP address, so we make new. So here okay, and forget to input your name and the password and login. So here we close the lab first. So here we open the EIGRP lab 1 until 11. Open. So here lab 1 and 2. Before I will make the configuration, but maybe I will just tell you lah. So okay, I think we don't need to stop this. Okay, we just make a new here. Right. So here we're gonna make the first lap on this. Forget to turn on So now we will config this. Wait.
Default for the EIGRP is
So
apply to the unique assignment
here,
same not the network but neighbor P2 neighbor +1
we have to waiting for a while. Yeah, this is like real device.
There is no again the notification the broadcast
So
the default is 12 or 2 from here. From here, so the package is the router one. Have to move that if there is router one here, router one here.
right, so
It will be
now
all.
I will tell you how to config this router, the make the normal EIGRP. First, we have to give an IP address to the interface, Ethernet here. Interface so here we have to go inside to the interface and not forget to no shutdown for make turn on this interface, and forget to give the an IP address here 1 0, and then make some interface look back here and give the IP address 1 right, give the /32. So next to the second router here, I always give the host change the host name because for make it easily to router doing like that before, like go to the interface, no shutdown, give and forget to give an IP address over there 12.12.12.12/24, and forget to give the router ID interface loopback, and don't forget to give the IP address for the interface loopback also /32. And next, interface internet 0/1, no shutdown, give an IP address 23.23.23.23.2. Then ready no shutdown, go to the third router. Okay, sorry, configuration host R3 interface and I should done IP address 13.23.23.24, and forget to give the interface loopback for the router ID, guys, /32. Sorry. So if already we make the routing protocol router EIGRP 10. 10 is the AS number. If the first is the router 1 R1, the AS number is 10, and 2 or 3, if they want a communication with router 1, they have to in the same AS number. And we put the network here. Then yeah, like this. Why? Because I put here 0/0.0.0 because this for the specific IP, and then here don't forget to put the interface loopback IP here, so the R2 can ping the router ID. So make the same thing over here. Router EIGRP, don't forget to put in the same as number, guys. Networks 12 12 12 12 2 0 0. Network 23 23 23 23 2 0 0 0 0. Don't forget to put the interface IP interface loopback, guys. The net 22222 0 0 0 0. Okay, so we go to the R3 and do the same thing. Router EIGRP 10, don't forget to put in the same as number 22 23 23 23 23 3. Don't forget to put the interface loopback IP. So now we already make the routing EIGRP protocol. Next, we directly go to check if already connected or no. Do ping ping the router ID, just ping the router ID. Okay, success rate is 100%. Do show IP route. If already all the IP route will be complete. C, the main is connected or local, and D, it was dynamic from the EIGRP. L is local because we check this in the first router or R1, so this is the local from the R1. So and then okay, ini already done. We can continue to the next lab, guys. So in this second lab we learned about okay, because before I already make the configuration, I will explain a little bit about this, what is the function and anything else. So here I will explain you about the EIGRP filtering distributed lease. This is lab about EIGRP using a distributed lease. Let me explain what is happening here. We have three routers, R1, R2, and R3 connected with the EIGRP normal. Normally, all routers are shared between the routers. Sometimes we don't want to advertise some routes to the other routers. That's why we use the distributed lease with an access list. Step by step. On router 1, we create an access list, deny 2222 to the block network with this IP, and permit any who allow all other routes. Then we apply this access list inside EIGRP using distributed lease. Distributed lease 1 in Ethernet 0/0 filter. That's the meaning is filter routes with the router 1 receive on interface gateway interface Ethernet 0/0. For the result, in the routing table of router 1, you can see some routes are missing because they were filtered. For example, route 1 doesn't learn 2 networks from router 2, since the access list block it. Why is this useful? To control which routers are allowed into routing table. For security, hide sensitive networks. Or for optimization, or to prevent routing loops unwanted path. So maybe that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.